गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को देने वाली हूँ 9th चैप्टर वेस्ट बंगाल बोर्ड ऑफ 6th क्लास 9 चैप्टर कॉमन मशीन्स। इस चैप्टर से मैं आपको ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर आज देने वाली हूँ, ठीक है। तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को स्किप मत कीजिए, क्योंकि मैं जो क्वेश्चन आंसर देने वाली हूँ वो आपके एग्ज़ाम के पेपर में आने वाला है, ठीक है। तो अब चलो, अब बिना किसी देरी की हुए जल्दी जल्दी इसका आंसर एंड क्वेश्चन करते हैं। साइंस चैप्टर 9 कॉमन मशीन्स। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। तो हमारे पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट आर कॉल्ड सिंपल मशीन। सो द आंसर विल बी you apply force on one part of any object and the work get done at another part. These objects are called simple machine. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल मशीन। नीडल, पेन, saw, knife, blade, scissor, etc. Number 3. What are called complex machine? More than one simple machine are combined to build complex machine. Number 4. Write some example of complex machine. Sewing machine, printing machine, electric cutter, drilling machine. Number 5. What is lever? A lever is a simple machine made of rigid beams and a fulcrum. Number 6. How many types of lever? Name them. Lever are 3 types. They are first class lever, second class lever, third class lever. Number 7. What is fulcrum? Fulcrum is the point about which a lever turns freely. Number 8. Where the fulcrum lies in the first class lever? Answer will be the fulcrum lies in between the effort and the resistance. Number 9. Where the resistance is in the second class lever. The resistance in between the fulcrum and the effort. Number 10. Where the effect lies in the class lever. The effort lies in between the fulcrum and the resistance. Number 11. What is an inclined plane? An inclined plane is a place surface which is a place at an acute angle to the ground. Number 12. Write some example of inclined plane. A learning ladder, a staircase, a bridge, etc. Number 13. What is a pulley? A pulley is a strong wheel. A rope runs around the groove of the wheel. The rope is pulled in the downward direction from one end. The weight is attached at the other end. Number 14. What is called axis of rotation? Wheel and axle can rotate freely together about a fixed axis which passes through their common center. This axis is called the axis of rotation. Number 15. What is called axle? The screw that passes through the center of the pulley is called its axle. Number 16. Write two features of inclined plane. If the slope of the inclined plane is slow, then seat is ever to climb up. Number 2. The smaller the angle between the pass and in inclined plane, the greater is the durability of using it. Number 17. Write some example of first class lever. Pincer, scissor, common blades, etc. Number 18. Write some example of second class lever. Both the bottles, opener, etc. Number 19. Write some example of third class lever. Weight, fishing rope, etc. Number 20. Which machine is used to lift water from the whale? A pulley. Number 21. How to take care of machine. Part of a machine that move or rotate quickly on another surface wear out due to friction. Therefore, oil or grease is used to reduce friction. Number 2. Iron object or parts must be protected from moisture. If not it can be damaged by rust. Oil, paint or synthetic enamel can be applied to Went iron object or part from rusty. Number 3. After use, machine must be cleaned regularly. Class 6 West Bengal Board Chapter 9 Common Machine. सो दियर ओनली द क्वेश्चन आंसर है. इतना ही तक इस चैप्टर में इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर है. ये सब है आप लोग के एग्ज़ाम के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट. दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. ओके, सो वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय. And don't forget to like and share this video.